Hi everyone, welcome back my 16th video of C programming and you are watching Infinite India Online College. Today new chapter is C scope rules. In previous video I discussed on C function which full details I have already given links in description. So after the end of this video you can go and follow that links and click on the links and watch that. It cannot be accessed. There are three phases where variable can be declared in C programming language. So here the first one is that the inside a function or a block which is called local variable, and the second one is that the outside of the function which is called global variables, and the third one is in the definition of functions parameters which are called formal parameters. And let us understand what are local and global variables and formal parameters. So here the local variable. So the variable that are declared inside a function or block are called local variables. They can be used only by statements that are inside that function or block of code. Local variables are not known to functions outside their own. The following example shows how local variables are used. Here all the variables a, b, and c are local to main function. So here the global variables, and in last I explained about the local and this one is the global variables. So here the global variables are defined outside a function, usually on top of the program. Global variables hold their values throughout the lifetime of your program, and they can be accessed inside any of the functions defined for the program. A global variable can be accessed by any function. That is, a global variable is available for use throughout your entire program. After its declaration, the following program show how global variables are used in a program. And this is the program. A program can have same name for local and global variables, but the value of local variable inside a function will take preferences. Here is an example, and this is the example of the program of the both of the local and global. So here has include stdio.h, and this one is a very small program. And global variable, here we have declared the global variable int g equals to 20 and int main and opening of the braces, and then after the local variable declaration int g of 10 print value of g percentage d slash n. You already know about the new line of the starting of the new line, and here we print the g value of g we can print here. So return 0. After end of the program we can return here 0 and then closing of the braces, and when the above code is compiled and executed it produces the following result. So here the following result is that the what result is going to be printed here, the value of g, which means that the local variable is going to be printed here. So what we have told, the a program can have same name for local and global. So same name is there for local and global variable, but the value of a local variable inside a function will take preferences. So here what we have taken, what the program has taken, the preferences has been taken only for the local variable. So here the what is telling that, but the value of the local variable inside a function will take preference. Inside a function will take a preference. Here is an example, and this example I have already given here, and the when the above code is compiled and executed it produces the following result. So following result is given, and the local variable declaration, here the local variable, and they have given the preferences, okay, of the program. So next slide. So formal parameters, what the formal parameter is saying, that the formal parameters are treated as local variables within a function, and they take preference over global variables. Following is an example. This is the example has included stdio.a. Here the global variable declaration int a equal to 20 int main, and here the local variable declaration in main function int a equal to 10 int b equal to 20 int c 0. Okay, and here the printing of the value of a in main percentage d slash n, or value of a is going to be printed c equal to sum a comma b, and the print value of C. So sum of the A and B of the value can be printed here. The value of C is going to be printed, and the function to add two integers in sum int A int B. So add two integers A and B is going to be added, and print value of A in sum percentage D slash N A, and the print value of B in sum percentage D slash N of B. And here returns the value A and B. The what is the value of A and B? So this is the value of A and B. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. So the value is going to be printed 30. When the above code is compiled and executed, it produces here. So the following values: value of int main 10, the value of sum of A is 10, and the value of B in sum 20, and the value of C. The what does value of C? A plus B is going to be printed here. 10 plus 20 is 30. Okay. So initializing local and global variables. When a local variable is defined, it is initialized by the system. You must initialize in yourself. Global variables are initialized automatically by the system when you define them as follows. So here the data types and initial default values. So what is the data types is there? So data type int, and the initial default value is 0, and character char the in slash 0 initial value default value is there. Floating having also 0, and double having also 0, and pointer having null values. So it is good programming practice to initialize variables properly. Otherwise your program may produce unexpected result, because uninitialized variable will take some garbage value already available at their memory location. So here I have completed the scope rule, C scope rules, and the person who have not understand this video, so mail me. Okay, so if you feel free to mail us your experience and ask your doubt on my email address. And once again, the person up to now who has not subscribed my channel, so please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. And here I have given my email ID, and these all are in a small character, but it has been given in capital, so you can type on a small character and mail us. Okay, so thank you.